Hello everyone, my name is Igal Tabachnik, and I'd like to welcome you to this short screencast about a new plugin for ReSharper called Agent Mulder. The Agent Mulder plugin for ReSharper analyzes dependency injection containers in your application and helps ReSharper find the types that are being registered or resolved by those containers. Here's a very simple application. It has an interface called iMessageWriter, and it is being implemented by two concrete types, console message writer and trace message writer. Let's see what normally happens when you try to interact with a DI, or sometimes known as IOC container. In this example, I will use Castle Windsor, which is a very popular container. So I will create a new container, and I'm going to manually register a type by calling component.for and give it our interface, iMessageWriter. Implemented by, let's just say for now, console message writer. Alright, this line tells Castle Windsor that every time an instance of iMessageWriter is requested, it is going to give it a concrete implementation of console message writer. But let's see what happens in ReSharper. ReSharper marks this line with the green squiggly and also mentions that this class is never being instantiated. We know this isn't true because this class is being instantiated at runtime by the container, but ReSharper doesn't know about it. So now let's see how can Agent Mulder plugin improve this situation. So I'm going to enable the plugin from ReSharper options. Now I'm going to write this line again. So I'm going to write component.for and give it our interface, iMessageWriter. Now I'll say implemented by, and again we'll say console message writer. And now let's see what happened. First of all, as you can see, ReSharper no longer complains about this class is being uninstantiated. It is marked as used, as a regular class would be. And now there's this little icon which looks like a hat, black magic hat with two types coming out of it. It is now appearing on the left of the type name, and if I hover over it, you can see that it says registered by Castle Windsor. Click to navigate. If I click on this little icon, it will take me exactly to the line where this registration occurs. Basically, it takes me to the place where this concrete type is being instantiated by the container. But this isn't the only way to register types. We can also register types by convention, and for this I'm going to use another API, and this API looks like this. I can type in classes from this assembly based on iMessageWriter. So basically, without going too much into the configuration, I can instruct that all the types from this current assembly that are based on this interface will be registered automatically in the container. And now let's see what again happened here. First of all, we can see that both types are being marked as fully used. There is no squigglies, no errors, no warnings on them, and both the types have little icons which, if I click on them, take me exactly to the line which is responsible for the registration. And this of course will continue working even after I split all these declarations into their own types by using refactor, move types into matching files. And now if I go to, let's say, console message writer, I can see that it is still marked as being used. This icon is still here, and if I click on it, it takes me exactly to the line. Now let's look at another feature of Agent Mulder. Suppose you'd like to find all the types that are being affected by this registration. You can of course run the application and find out at runtime, but the Agent Mulder plugin comes with a brand new go-to navigation, and it will take you exactly to the types that are affected by this registration. For this you have to invoke the go-to navigation shortcut, which is in my settings I'm using the IntelliJ shortcut, so it's Control-Shift-G, and you will see that I will have a new menu here called Registered Components. If I click on this menu, it shows me exactly the types that are being instantiated from this registration. If I click on this, line, it takes me exactly to the class, and then if I click on the icon, I can go back. It is also possible to get those registered components as a list. So if you click on this little icon or you press the numeric plus key, it will open those results in a window, and then you can also see and navigate to those files if you want. So I hope you enjoyed this demo of Agent Mulder plugin for ReSharper. Please download it from the GitHub page. For the list of currently supported containers and features, please look at the project's wiki page on GitHub. Also, please feel free to contribute support for any other containers and ideas for features. Please let me know about them. You can contact me by Twitter. It's at hmemcpy, hmemcopy without an O. Or you can contact me by email, which is hmemcpy@gmail.com. Again, the download is available on GitHub. Please go get it and let me know what you think. Happy investigating. Bye.